Okay, so I want to give an example of this. And also an example of how you're going to think about these sorts of problems. So I'll take a function which has two different definitions. Say it's x plus 1 when x is bigger than 0, and minus x plus 2 when x is less than 0. All right, so maybe put commas there. Those are, so when x is greater than 0, it's x plus 1. Now, I can draw a picture of this. It's going to be kind of a little small because I'm going to try to fit it down in here, but maybe I'll put the axis down below. So at height 1, I have, to the right, I have something of slope 1, so it goes up like this. All right? And then to the left of 0, I have something which has slope negative 1. But it hits the axis at 2, so it's up here. All right? So I have this sort of strange antenna figure here, which is my graph. Maybe I should draw these in another color to depict that. All right? And then if I calculate these two limits here, what I see is that the limit as x goes to 0 from above of f of x, that's the same as the limit as x goes to 0 of the formula here, x plus 1, which turns out to be 1. And if I take the limit from the, so that's the left-hand limit, that's this, yeah, I told you I was dyslexic. Which, right, this is the right. So it's that right half. Here we go. So now I'm going from the left, and it's f of x again. But now, because I'm on that side, the thing I need to plug in is the other formula, minus x plus 2. And that's going to give us 2. Now, notice that the left and right limits, and this is one little tiny subtlety, and it's almost the only thing that I need you to really pay attention to a little bit right now, is that this, we did not need x equals 0 value. In fact, I never even told you what f of 0 was here. If we stick it in, we could stick it in, okay, let's say we stick it in on this side. Let's make it be that it's on this side. So that means that this point is in, and this point is out. So that's a typical notation, this little open circle and this closed dot for when you include the, so in that case, the value of f of x happens to be the same as its right-hand limit, namely the value is 1 here, and not 2. Okay, so that's the first kind of example. Questions?